Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple way, the most recent and updated way to place your Pinterest tags into your WordPress website or any Shopify shop with the easiest way, with the most updated way. Obviously, Pinterest now is helping us a lot. And obviously, the recent changes on Pinterest is they have done a collaboration with Shopify. So it's very, very easy for you to place your tags. I mean, I did it manually. And I will show you the simplest way for you to place them, because remember, it's better not to advertise if you haven't placed your Pinterest tags, because this is going to help you with the conversions, to see your demographics and your analytics. It's really going to help you to make strategic changes into your Pinterest marketing plan. So first of all, we go in here on the left hand side to your main profile, and you go in by ads and then by conversions. Obviously, I already placed my tags, so I'm not going to be able to do it again. But I have done a sort of managed to get some sort of pictures and images for my Facebook group. So I'm going to show you when you press here on your tag names, what you are going to get is basically those three. So you get these three options, how to place your tags. I'm going to open it a little bit so you can see it clearly, maybe a little bit more. Fantastic. So this is the three easiest options. Connect with using a partner. As I told you, Pinterest now make it so easy for us. For those who have Shopify shop, it's very easy now. They have already a partnership and a collaboration, so you can do the integration straight away for those who just started on Pinterest. The WooCommerce, I think I say it correctly. Yes, WooCommerce, which is a free plugin and it's really helping us. I currently use WooCommerce for my Pinterest video editable canvas that I'm sending on my website, and my Pinterest pins on Canva that I'm selling. So it's very, very easy to connect through. So if you place this here using a partner, you can find basically all those companies that Shopify is making it easy for us to do it. The second way is that to add the tag into your website manually. That's the way I did it. And when you press instant manual, and obviously the third one is the email instructions to a developer, send the instruction when you press this button. So when you sign up here and you press your tag names, obviously mine is the website name, eleftheriabusinesspr.com, then you will see all those three. So I'm going to start with a manual way, because from my point of view is the easiest. I mean, if you struggle, I will show you, you don't have to struggle, and especially now with the free plugin. Remember, when you press the tag in, then you're gonna get this one. So this is one part, the Pinterest basic tag code. So you copy and paste all of those. You start with your base, and then you go to your main dashboard. Here, I mean your WordPress dashboard or whatever your website is, and then you go to appearances, themes. Let's go to it, themes. You could do theme info or theme editor, depending. I mean, if you cannot do it, you can actually follow in the instruction with the plugin. It's very easy. And then you have this main, on your appearances on your website, WordPress or any other website. Then you go on the right, here, and you place header. So you copy and paste everything from this one, these Pinterest tags that you can see on your main conversions, all of it between the head here until the end, the header again. So you place on all those codes on your appearances, edit theme, and copy and paste it. You do everything, including in a Shopify shop. If you want to do that in, manually in your Shopify shop, you will do it the exact same way. Just copy and paste this code, go to your theme, go to appearances. You started with a basic code and then the event code, second event code, and then you can place all the checkout codes and all the rest. So that's the way I did it. And also there is a link which I will try to place that you can use it. It's a sort of like Chrome extension. You can put it on your Google Chrome extension and check if you place correct the Pinterest tags into your website. This is very, very useful. It will tell you if you did it correctly, what was the mistake that you did. And, it's very, very useful, again, for Pinterest conversions. Guys, if you want to grow your account on Pinterest, you have to do things correctly. I say that before, I say that again, you need a strategy. And especially now with the recent changes, Pinterest is helping us a lot. So at the beginning it was only manually. Now we have Yoast that you can verify your website. We have the WooCommerce. And this is one of the partners. So if you connect with using partners, what you can do is to go back to the main profile. I don't know, the overview. I'm gonna go back. I'm not. Fantastic. What you can do is to go to settings here, and in settings. And when you claim your website, let's say you go to, you see here, you download this WooCommerce here. I have it on my website because, as you know, recently I'm start selling, the editable canvas that I'm selling, videos and pins for you to buy and use it again and again. So you can go to the main WooCommerce. It's a free plugin. It's really, really good. So you can use it and then make the connections on settings. So obviously I use it only because I'm selling the canvas online. So what you can do is to go to your claim here website, here, and when you want to claim, it's giving you a code. Like let's say you want to claim, so you just claim this and it's giving you the code. So you copy and paste the code of between the brackets, and then you come to settings here and you do the integrations. But I think when you start connecting the WooCommerce, it's gonna give you an API for Pinterest, which also, if you just started, you can just do everything with WooCommerce. It's very helpful because you might need it. It's free plugin and it's giving you so many options. So if you have the Etsy shop, again, it's very simple. Shopify, again, the same way, you can target manually. But as you know, by the end of April this year, Pinterest, Shopify has a collaboration, so makes Shopify owners, their life much, much more easier for doing, just press a click and they're connected with Pinterest straight away. So now, again, as I say, it's very, very easy. It doesn't need to be very stressful. Again, watch this video. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Just leave your comments below. You can join my Facebook group, or please subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you follow me on Facebook, on Twitter, and let me know if you need any help. It's very, very easy. If you just started and you want to do claim the website and everything with WooCommerce, is very easy. Just download it straight away with Pinterest. It's going to show you the way how to do it. I did it manually, and it's very, very easy for me. Don't just, stress. And also make sure you check with your Chrome extension. And this is it for me today, guys. And remember, I said that to you before, it's good. You want to grow your account on Pinterest, you don't have followers, don't stress. What you need to do is you need to have a strategy, because if you don't have a strategy, you're not going to go far. You need to have a plan. You need a Pinterest marketing plan. If you stress, and if you believe that by putting like your links into people's group or just with a few followers, it's not going to save you. What you need to do, you need to have a strategy of how to grow your account. Have a plan. If you want to make money from affiliates, you need a plan. Just follow the plan. Have you done this before? Have you done your tags? Do your tags first. Do your profile. Have 5 to 10 boards or 5 boards. Start to create beautiful pins. Then put a relevant keywords. Put, hashtags. Put low competitive keywords. Play with it. You see, if you have like millions, 2 million views on Pinterest, basically it's that you're pinning a lot. But that doesn't mean it's giving you subscribers or you have sales. So you need really to follow a plan to nurture that 2 million viewers on Pinterest. I personally stop pinning, you stop having views. I stop pinning, I don't have views. You see, the recent algorithm on Pinterest that's the way it is. You stop pinning, you don't get views. So views is basically on pinning. Then the rest is find the exact keywords to give you a lot of impressions, a lot of pins, repins, and also the image, because the image is very important. And then use attractive titles. So you have to think about that. You have to make sure you're following a plan to place those views, to make them subscribers and nurturing a sale, and circulate your pins on Pinterest rather than, trying to spam groups or say, follow me, I follow you. It's okay. That is, you can follow people that are in your niche, but if you believe that people that will follow you before you follow them are wasting your time, you need to have a strategy. Even if you have like 50 followers right now, create a very good plan. Just follow the plan. Have you placed your Pinterest tags yet? If no, that is the right thing to do. And then move on. How many boards that I have? How many group boards that I want to join? How many group boards should I create? Create your own group boards. And grow organically and grow, by promoting your pins. Not just jumping, when places say, I have million views. Oh yeah, if you have million views, then you don't need the help of anyone. So that's it for me today, guys. And remember, I was in a forum today. We have this discussion for the latest Pinterest updates, because Pinterest have done this Shopify collaboration and also other research tools that they're giving us to help us. It's people who are suffering from suspension and all that. It's all these spammy techniques. You need to have a plan. Grow your account, have a plan. Don't stress and put your links and you think, even if you're just making money on affiliates, again, you need to think. If you want to have Google ads on your blog and click on your links and add money, that's not going to give you a lot of money. So you need to have different strategy, different options. For Shopify owners, it's really, really, you need to think about how to grow your brand and starting to do things correctly on Pinterest, and then, start promoting your pins and do this one by one, follow the correct steps. So that's it today, guys. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know again if you have any questions. Thank you very much. I wish you well.